Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Plants vs. Zombies Fusion on your Android device. This exciting fan-made game offers a fresh twist on the classic tower defense experience, letting you combine plants for powerful new abilities. Since it is not available on the Google Play Store, you will need to follow a few specific steps to get it running. Let's dive into how you can start defending your lawn with fused plants. First, you'll need to find the game files. Since Plants vs. Zombies Fusion is a fan project, it's not on official app stores. Use a search engine to look for Plants vs. Zombies Fusion APK download. Always choose trusted fan community websites or forums to ensure you get a safe and legitimate file. Once you find a reliable source, download the latest stable version of the APK file directly to your Android device. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup where your controller isn't immediately recognized. A simple fix is to restart Rayman Origins with your controller already plugged in. Also, ensure no other programs are running in the background that might conflict with your controller's input. For less common controllers, exploring third-party mapping software can provide a seamless solution, allowing you to enjoy the game fully. Once installed, you can launch Plants vs. Zombies Fusion from your app drawer or home screen. Get ready to explore the revolutionary plant fusion system, new zombie types, and exciting game modes. If you encounter any issues, like a black screen, checking community forums for solutions, or switching your device's language to Chinese might help. Remember, your device should have at least 400 megabytes of free space for smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.